Hey guys, so as part of Easter week, I'm going to be showing you how to make these really yummy Easter cupcakes. So you're going to need 25 grams of cocoa powder, 125 grams of plain flour, 1 egg, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 50 grams of butter, 150 grams of caster sugar, 9 muffin cases, and you also need 8 tablespoons of milk. So first I'm just going to add my flour, cocoa powder and baking powder and just sieve those into a bowl and mix them all together. So when that's all combined, I'm going to add in the sugar and the butter and then beat it all together. This does take quite a while, so you'll have to be patient with it, but eventually you will get there. It probably is much easier to use an electric whisk, but I just stirred it all together on my own. Then you just want to crack in your egg. Try not to get any shell in there. I did, and yeah, I probably should have cracked it into a separate bowl first, but you know, I mean, I'm sure no one minds a bit of shell in the cupcakes. I'm joking, by the way. Then you want to add your 8 tablespoons of milk and mix it all together, and then it should start to look more like a cake mixture. So then you just want to divide it between your 9 muffin cases. Make them as even as possible. So then you want to put them in the oven, which has been preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, and you want to put them in there for 20 to 25 minutes. Mine went in for 20 minutes and they came out perfect. So when they are done, you want to take them out, hopefully without damaging one of the muffins, which is what I did. You'll see in a second. There we go. There. Oh dear. Yeah. Hashtag pray for muffin 2015. This happened last time I made the cupcakes, by the way, so don't put shelves so close to each other. But when they come out, you can obviously test them by sticking a knife in them and seeing if they come out clean. Then you want to put them on a cooling rack for about half an hour, I'd say, until they are completely cool. And whilst you're waiting for them to cool, you can make your buttercream icing. For decorating, you're going to need 210 grams of icing sugar, 105 grams of butter, and then any other things you would like to decorate with. I added some vanilla essence, and there's some sprinkles there, and a piping bag for the buttercream. So you just want to mix your butter and sugar together, and you can also add some milk in there so it's the right consistency for piping, and then you just want to mix them all together until it looks like buttercream. I softened the butter up a bit so it was easier to mix, but add the ice and sugar a little bit at a time just so it's easier to mix. The recipe doesn't call for any vanilla extract, but I just decided to add it anyway. So then I couldn't get much of this on camera, but I just piped the buttercream onto the cakes. It got very messy in the end, but you just want to obviously make sure you can pipe it, make sure it's runny enough by adding milk, and then you just pipe it on there. That looks very satisfying. And then I just took some hundreds and thousands sprinkles and sprinkled them on some of the cupcakes. Not all of them, because you know, some people might not want sprinkles. And then I just added some chocolate eggs on the top. I didn't get a shot of that, but yeah, they'd run out of mini eggs, so I just had to add chocolate eggs. But these are the finished cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this video. You should definitely make them because they are really tasty. I had one yesterday and they're delicious. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week.